Hey guys, today I would like to share you a must download app which allow you to download many of the dev wallpaper for iOS 16 lock screen. As you can see here, there are many of them that you can download and apply it directly on your iOS 16 lock screen. Now I can just click on it to view, or I can download it and save it into my camera roll, just like that. And then when I go back here, I can go into photo, and I should be able to set it as a wallpaper on my iPhone. So now I can just set it. I can zoom in or zoom out. Now I have depth effect. All I have to do is just click on done and set it on my iPhone. That's it. As you can see here, this is very amazing, and this is the app called lock screen. So what you're gonna do is to go into the app store, and then you're gonna search for lock screen. It works from iOS 16 and later, and then you're gonna find it appear on the top. It has a 4.8 star rate. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this simple video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.